everybody? Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at our 60-inch square refrigerated case. Okay, this is going to be a 60-inch square refrigerated case. Okay, so before you got started on more, I do want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements. Exterior, I'll also measure the inside for you. As you can see, for this unit, it's glass on all sides as well as on the top, and we got the sliding doors on the back. Okay, so we got those glass on all sides. Now for the measurements, overall length 60 inches. For the depth, you're looking at 22.5 inches, and the overall height 26.5 inches of the overall height. Okay, so I want to show you the back now. On the back, we can locate air control, temperature control. Okay, you can set your temperature. It'll also display temperature once the unit is on and running. You also have your switch, power switch, located on the back. Now inside measurements, just for the shelf, you're looking at 13 inches. Okay, length, from one side to the other, 58 inches, 58. Okay. And the height on the inside, you're looking at a total of 14.5 inches. In between the shelves, it'll be 4 inches. Okay, so you will be provided with these shelves that are inside. You have a total of 2 long shelves on the inside. Okay, you also will be provided with an instruction manual, operation booklet. So if you have any questions, all the information on this unit is going to be on that booklet. Also on the back, we have our plug for this unit. It is a standard US plug. Okay, so that's going to be located on the back of this refrigerated case. Lastly, on the side, we have a sticker with all the specs on this model, as well as your ETL certification. Okay, so that's going to be located on the left hand side of this unit. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration on the 60-inch square refrigerated case. If you're interested in one of these models, go on our website, Coolerdepotservice.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. Now, if you're interested in one of these units, you can also give us a call and we can help you guys out. Thank you for watching.